some of my more happiest memories comes from SMP, because I remember that I used to like going to the teacher's room with my friends just because we want to have some fun or we want to joke around. Like, I think it's one of the things that you can't do in other schools.
Here that I think doesn't exist in other school is it's not only the friends that care to each other, but it's also the teacher. They care to each other as teachers and to us as students too. If we have hard times understanding the subjects at school, we won't hesitate to ask the teacher about what we didn't understand, which doesn't exist in other schools too for me.
About this school is that there are so many friends, both girls and boys, and also teachers. My friends are always there for me when I'm sad. For example, when I get a bad score, they're always there to cheer me up, and they always know what to do with me, and they will also teach me if I need help. What I see here is that nobody is alone, and that we always love and take care of each other. For me, I see myself grow in here because of my surroundings that have been nice to me and teach me how to become a better person.
This school also supports us in developing our talents, for example, in joining competitions. And the teacher will train the students so we are prepared in joining the competition. And this competition doesn't always have to be math and science, but it can also be sports such as basketball, badminton, swimming, scout, and band competition. This allows us to grow and get better in our passion.
Yang jelas, bersekolah di sini anak-anak saya memiliki karakter yang sangat bagus, attitude yang sangat bagus, Pak. Walaupun mereka misalnya Bimo senang main game, tapi tetap tanggung jawab sebagai murid dikerjakan, sebagai anak dikerjakan. Begitu juga Kirana setelah SMA juga karena bekal dari SMP Penabur itu attitude-nya bagus, tanggung jawabnya bagus.
Ya, saya melihat di sini satu hal yang positif, bahwasanya di sini diajarkan mengenai budi pekerti. Budi pekerti itu ya takut akan Tuhan, ya. Karena kalau anak yang sudah ditanamkan tentang budi pekerti, dia takut akan Tuhan, kemungkinan kalaupun dia tidak sekolah di sini lagi, dia bisa menahan diri, tidak terpengaruh oleh situasi kondisi yang sekarang ini sangat memprihatinkan.
Environment here is really friendly and really open-minded, so I feel like I can really freely express my thoughts here, and that's why I keep coming back here, because I feel like the environment here is very playful, very fun. Like Penabur taught me how to be serious when it's time, but they also taught me to have fun, because there are so many SMP memories that I can keep reminiscing about with all of my SMP friends. So I think that's about it. Like, the most memorable thing for me is the friendships that I've made throughout the time here. SMP, I never felt like that. I always felt like it was fine to express my opinion. I always felt that I think my friends wouldn't judge me on what I say, because during SMP, like everything I say, like maybe I want to talk about religion, politics, or just want to gossip around about celebrities and stuff. I think it's something that we all manage to say, and we won't feel hindered, or we won't feel like, oh, it's not something for us to say.
On the other side, the teachers don't only care about our understanding about the subjects, but they also care about us as individuals, as a person. They care so much of our well-being.
Enjoy aja kali ya. Ini terus kalian melakukan ini tuh untuk diri kalian juga kan. Jadi mendingan do the best lah, do the best for yourself. Ya, pokoknya kalian udah di sekolah di sini, ini sekolah bagus. Saya pada guru-gurunya juga. Ya pokoknya do your best and never give up.
Be grateful because you think this school gives you pressure, you think this school gives you too much homework, you don't know the real life. Because this school is so nice to you, you don't know that if you don't see it, because you're going to love being here. So about the friendship here, the school really provides a good environment for us to either study or socialize, and also the school really affects the decision making of my friends, and they know which one is bad or good based from their Christianity here. The teachers here, they're really helpful to me, and also really friendly and open, and we connect more than just like friends and students. We connect more like friends.
Year, I participate in our school stay event in Ramsgate, UK. We explored a lot about British culture, language, and their lifestyle. The most memorable moment is when we visit historical monuments, such as Dover Castle, Canterbury Cathedral, and also Oxford University. Visiting historical places drives me to learn and understand more about life in ancient times. Definitely, this program is very exciting. On top of it, it makes me become more independent and deepens my knowledge.
Ini graduation yang sangat kompak, Pak, antara guru dan juga para orang tua. Itu semua memiliki semangat yang sama, yaitu berbuat terbaik untuk anak-anak. Saya sangat senang sekali karena kerjasama kita antar guru dan orang tua sangat bagus.
I'm very grateful for this opportunity to learn at the school, and everything about the school makes me pleased, and I'm very thankful for it.
At SMP Nasional plus BPK Penabur Sentul City, we encourage our students to be proud of themselves. Through a variety of teaching and learning activities, we train them to excel in academic and life skills, while also growing in their spiritual walk with Christ. Our aim is to build good character in our students to prepare them for the best future possible.